Planet Bollywood.
यंग टैलेंट के लिए ग्लैमर वर्ल्ड में फर्स्ट एंट्री और खुद को प्रूव करने का फर्स्ट माइलस्टोन सिर्फ एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म दे सकता है और वो है ओप्पो टाइम्स फ्रेश फेस 2016, जिसका ग्लैमरस दिल्ली सिटी राउंड हुआ पैसिफिक मॉल में। दिल्ली के जबरदस्त टैलेंट ने ऑडियंस और जजेस को मेस्मराइज करने में कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ी। टफ कॉलेज राउंड, मॉल राउंड और इस फाइनल इवेंट के परफॉर्मेंस के बाद जजेस के लिए भी विनर चूज करना हो गया बहुत मुश्किल। But then, as difficult as it was, they have managed to choose the best.
And now it's time to invite our winners, ladies and gentlemen. That is Oppo Delhi Time Fresh Face 2016 winner, Sanya and Raghav. Please step ahead. Everybody, a round of applause.
विनर्स को साथ ही मिला एक सेल्फी एक्सपर्ट ओप्पो कैमरा फोन F1s, and they were so delighted to share their happiness.
The journey's been quite unbelievable because I was in the waiting list for my college freshers and now I'm the winner over here. So yeah, I'd say it's an unbelievable journey.
I feel completely, I don't know what to say. I'm so happy that I've been, we had so many rounds and every round was just like, am I going to go through it? Am I going to, go on? So it's just very, I don't know what to say. I'm just so happy right now.
जजेस के लिए भी ऐसे टैलेंट में से एक चूज करना रहा मुश्किल, and we had some big names as judges on our panel.
When I see you guys, I know how difficult it is when you are in a place जहाँ किसी को भी नहीं जानते, इक्का दुक्का चार दोस्त खड़े रहते हैं and they shout for you. So making random people scream for you, making random people accept you, it's not an easy task. So whatever you all guys did, see, I was not judging anybody to be honest. मैंने marks भी नहीं दिया, my sheet is empty. And at the end of the day, this doesn't define you all. It's just a place for you to showcase something. कल को कुछ और आएगा. So just be confident, just kill it, and I hope these guys keep doing it everywhere.
It takes a lot of guts to come on the stage and showcase yourself in front of the audience. And I think all of them did really well. They have a lot of confidence in themselves and they speak well, they look good. So it felt really nice to see such young potential coming from my city and representing my city at national level.
Delhi में हुए इस glamorous event के winners will now set their eyes on the grand finale, which will happen in Mumbai very soon. We promise you कि इस event की journey का एक हिस्सा बन के हम आपको देते रहेंगे हर update. For Abhishek Singh, Zoom, Mumbai. For all the garma garam Bollywood gossip news and more, download the Zoom app now.